In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable indicator name labels on TradingView charts. If you've ever stacked multiple indicators on a chart and then struggled to remember which price label belongs to which study, this quick setting will save you a lot of confusion. Enabling indicator name labels makes the right-hand price scale instantly more informative by attaching each indicator's name to its value, so you can identify everything at a glance without hunting through the legend or guessing by color. Start on any TradingView chart that already has at least one indicator or financial series applied. Move your cursor to the right-hand side of the chart where the price scale lives. This is the vertical strip with the current price values and colored labels for your instruments and indicators. Right-click directly on one of those price labels on the right. It's important to click on the label area itself. That way you open the context menu tied to the price scale. If you right-click somewhere else on the chart, you'll see a different menu and won't find the option you need. When the context menu appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Labels. Don't click yet, just pause over it. A secondary menu will slide out with more choices related to how labels appear on your price scale. This is where TradingView groups the quick visual toggles, so you can make changes without digging into deeper settings. From that expanded Labels menu, click on Indicators and Financials Name Labels to enable it. The moment you click, TradingView applies the change right away. You should notice a small check mark next to the option, confirming it's active. This setting is a simple toggle, so you can turn it on whenever you want your indicator names visible alongside their values. Now you'll see the names of your indicators and financial series right on the price labels on the right. For example, instead of a plain value, the label will show the indicator's name plus its latest reading, color matched to the series. This makes it effortless to tell your moving average from your volume-based indicator or your overlay from a secondary study, especially when several labels are stacked close together. It keeps your workflow clear, reduces guesswork, and helps you read the chart faster and more confidently. That's all. With a single right-click, a quick hover, and one selection, you've made your price scale far more descriptive. Enjoy the cleaner, more informative view, and keep your analysis focused on what matters.